know that feeling when you just have to get there?
No one's around you, and you don't understand. Lonely man.
Adam Holman's at the cottage. Adam Holman loves the cottage the most. He will fetch you a beer, he can teach you to steer, he can knock any boat, he will teach you to float, knows his way around the queue and the bonfire too. Adam Holman is the Cottage Coach.
You're just gonna wear a fall wardrobe like the whole summer?
I think so.
Why?
This is just what I wear. It's what the coach wears.
Why don't you go get like a wool sweater to put over that too?
If I get too hot, I just take it off.
Oh man, what do you think? You like the pond?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's nice down here, eh?
The Jackson family compound.
Indeed.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we spend a lot of time down here in the summer. Kids swim a lot, catch frogs, they go out in the rowboat over there. And the nice thing is the pond is spring fed, so it stays cool and clean.
I was gonna smack your face.
Yeah.
You said there used to be a dock out here too.
We had a little dock down almost where Amanda's shooting right now, but like a lot of things up here got a little old, little rickety, little unsafe, so we tore it down. We like having the beach, but my mom has been talking about a floating raft out in the water for like 25, 30 years.
Let's do it. Let's build her one.
Yeah.
The pond is due for an upgrade.
That's why we invited you here.
So I'm gonna build Mrs. Jackson her raft that she wanted, and I'm gonna keep the project really simple for everyone. I'm gonna use dock floats and Western red cedar. Step one, let's build the frame. I'm using 2x6s with 3-inch deck screws to start my structure. I just realized that the corners are a little weak, so I'm gonna grab a 4x4 and beef up my frame a little bit. So we're gonna get everything lined up nice and straight. Then we're gonna pre-drill our holes before putting our lag bolts in. So I thought I was gonna have to ratchet all of these lag bolts in, but that's it right there. That's gonna save me a lot of time. That hooks right onto my impact gun, goes into my socket that connects to the lag bolt. We're using stainless steel fasteners with our cedar because they contain no iron and you won't have black stains on the wood. It is so important to pre-drill your holes when you're using a lag bolt that size. If you don't, there's a good chance that you're gonna split your wood. All right, we got our dock floats attached. It's nice and sturdy. Chris is gonna help me flip it over and we're gonna beef up our frame.
Can you just do this to me? That's better. You cooler now?
All right, you grab that side, I'm gonna grab this side. When you're flipping over your raft, be sure to take your time, especially if you're as old as Chris, and try not to put too much weight on your floats. All right, next step, we're gonna add our extra frame support. Oh my goodness, don't tell Chris, but I'm sweating. I shouldn't have wore this flannel. All right, so now that I have all my supports in, I'm going to attach my anchor ring before I put my deck boards on. Sturdy. I'm laying out my deck boards before I screw them in. Be aware of things like color, spacing, and any overhang on the ends. All right, this is cool and it's not even sponsored. I'm using camo screws for the deck boards that fasten from the sides. This leaves the top of the boards with a nice clean finish, which makes refinishing or sanding down the road even easier. All right, the deck boards are all done. How long did that take?
Probably like a 10 to 15 second time lapse.
All right, we're gonna add some special features. I have some soft corners and some nice solar lights for at night. Looks good. Let's get it in the water. Go. Nice and slow. So, don't drop this carabiner. But you gotta go under and hook it on.
Okay.
I hope it fits. I didn't check. I actually didn't check. Oh my goodness. Woo. It's on! I heard it click! You know what? Let's do this.
Oh boy. Wait, Adam, your mic.
That wouldn't have been good.
Hi Adam, this is Paulette Jackson, Christopher's mom calling. I want to thank you and your crew for building our wonderful new raft. Our family will enjoy many laps to and from. What a wonderful way to have fun in the pond. All the best in your future ventures.